Hello everyone. Today is February 23rd, 2026 in Long Branch, New Jersey. And I'm out here on my balcony showing you all the snow that fell last night during what they're calling now the blizzard of 2026. I was out here at night filming just as it was getting dark and just as the blizzard was beginning. And I wanted to come out here now in the daylight and show you the snow on the ground. As you can see, it's still snowing right now a little bit. And I'm going to show you the parking lot here where I live. There's the man shoveling the snow. And now I'm going to give you a little panoramic view of the snow. I hope the snowflakes don't land on my lens. Look at all that. And I'm going to zoom in on the ocean right now. There we go. You can see the waves. There's a look at my balcony. The building next door. And those are the benches that we sit on in the warm weather. I'm going to try and zoom in on that. There you go. The sun is trying to come out, but it's still pretty overcast. Give you one more look around the property. And there you have it. The blizzard of 2026.